In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell your furniture on Facebook Marketplace using practical tips and tricks. Whether you're downsizing, redecorating, or simply clearing out some space, Facebook Marketplace is an excellent platform to connect with potential buyers. Let's dive right into the process to get you started on selling your furniture with confidence and ease. First things first, you'll want to head over to Facebook. Go ahead and open up your web browser or mobile app and navigate to your Facebook homepage. If you haven't already, make sure you're logged in with your account credentials. Once you're on the homepage, look for the Marketplace icon. It's typically located on the left sidebar on desktop or at the bottom on mobile. Click on it to enter the Marketplace. Now it's time to get your listing started. On the Marketplace page, you'll see an option labeled Create New Listing. Click this to proceed. You'll be presented with a few options for the type of listing you'd like to create. Since we're dealing with furniture, select Item for Sale. The first thing a potential buyer will notice is the photograph of your furniture, so adding a high-quality photo is crucial. Take a well-lit, clear picture of your furniture from multiple angles if possible, and click on Add a Photo to upload these images. This helps buyers get a good sense of the item's condition and appearance. After you've uploaded your photos, you'll need to provide some information about the item. Be sure to include essential details such as the item's dimensions, color, material, and any notable wear and tear. Honesty is key here as it builds trust with potential buyers and increases the likelihood of a successful sale. Next, you'll want to choose appropriate product tags. These tags help your listing appear in relevant searches. For instance, if you're selling a wooden dining table, use tags like wooden table, dining table, and furniture. It's also important to specify your location. Facebook Marketplace will use this to suggest your listing to local buyers, making transactions easier and more convenient. Enter your location and set a reasonable radius for potential buyers to find your listing. Consider how you'd like to handle the exchange. Selecting your meetup preference is critical for coordinating with buyers. Decide if you're comfortable with porch pickups, meeting in a public location, or if you prefer buyers to come to your door. Another great way to boost your listing's visibility is to turn on Promote Listing after Publish. This feature uses Facebook's algorithms to increase exposure, although it might involve a small fee. With everything set, click Next to review your listing. Double check all the information and photos. If everything looks good, press Publish. Your furniture listing is now live on Facebook Marketplace, ready for interested buyers to see. Thanks for watching and happy selling.